Hello everyone, this is Deepa Parekh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Anywhere, Anytime. Today we'll start with question number 6 of exercise 1.3, chapter 1, which is integers. Question number 6 is a word problem and the question is, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So what does this question mean? It says that there is a freezing process which is going on in a particular room temperature which is at 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, now there we need to reduce the temperature from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degree, which means we have to reduce it from 40 degree, we need to reduce it 5 degree every hour. What is the question asked? What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Means once we start reducing 5 degrees Celsius from this 40 degrees Celsius every hour, what would be the temperature at the end of 10 hours, after 10 hours? Okay, so since this is a word problem, we'll start with the statement. Okay, so what would be the statement come? A certain freezing process requires that a room temperature to be lowered from 40 degree. So which means room temperature is equals to 40 degree Celsius. Then to be lowered at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So what would be the statement for this? Temperature, temperature to be lowered every hour is equals to 5 degree Celsius. Therefore, what we have to find, what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins. Therefore, room temperature after 10 hours is equals to, now how will we calculate this? Current room temperature is given. Every hour how much temperature should be reduced is also given, and they have asked the temperature after 10 hours. So how will we write this? This can be written as, from 40 we have to reduce 5 degrees Celsius till how many hours? 10 hours. Understood how we did? We have to reduce the temperature from 40 degree, correct? So 40, how much we have to reduce? 5 degrees Celsius. So that is 40 minus 5. And again, for how many hours we need to reduce? 10 hours. Every hour each. What will be the room temperature? 10 hours after the process begins. Means once this process is begin, we have to calculate it for 10 hours. So rather than doing this 40 minus 5, for 1 hour would be 35, then again 35 minus 5, for the second hour it would be 30 hours. So rather than calculating that, 30 degrees Celsius. So rather than calculating each hour, we will multiply this 5 into 10. Okay, so understood how we got this? Clear? So now let's start calculating, which would be 40 minus 5 tens are 50. Okay, so when one is positive and one is negative, what do? We subtract. We find the difference and put the sign of a bigger number, and here the bigger number is 50, which is having a minus sign. So what would be the answer here? 50 minus 40 is 10. since 50 is having the minus sign here, we'll put a minus sign. So minus 10 degrees Celsius will be the room temperature after 10 hours. I hope this is clear to you how we found out. Why 40 minus 5 into 10? Because from 40 we have to reduce 5 degree every hour, and we have to reduce every hour till 10 hours. So that's why we are finding 5 into 10. Okay, and we are then subtracting it with 40. So 5 tens are 50. One number is positive and one number is negative. So we find the difference with a sign of a bigger number, and here the sign of the bigger number is a negative sign. So we'll get the answer in negative. Okay, so here what is the answer? Therefore, room temperature after 10 hours is minus 10 degrees Celsius. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yeah, and if you have yet not subscribed my channel, request you all to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.